How great is this kitchen? The best part is, most of it we've DIY'd, and you can too. We're going to take you through everything you need to know when designing a kitchen, from space planning and layout to style, materials and lighting, so you feel fully informed and ready to create your dream kitchen. Before diving into the details, take a step back and look at the big picture. The first step in any kitchen design is understanding your space and defining the overall look you're going for. Don't worry about handle styles or paint colors just yet. What matters most early on is the overall style. Are you drawn to something modern and minimal, a mix of classic and contemporary elements, or more traditional? Once you've got your general style direction in mind, sketch out your new kitchen. Mark doors, windows, power points, and services, and take accurate measurements. This gives you a clear idea of what's possible in your space and sets the foundation for your layout. Also consider your flooring. Are you keeping what's already there or starting fresh? Tile floors are best installed before cabinetry. Laminate will generally go in after, while timber floors should be polished after the kitchen is installed. Whatever you choose, make sure your floors are protected during the renovation to avoid damage. It's now time to plan your layout. Consider overhead cabinets and open shelving, built-in versus freestanding appliances, and pantry storage. Map out the kitchen working triangle, the path between your sink, cooktop, and fridge. This helps ensure your kitchen flows well and is easy to use. Think about services. Will plumbing need to move? Do you need a water outlet for the fridge or extra power points? How will the range hood be vented? These are jobs for licensed trades and should be factored into your budget and your timeline. Now, let's talk style. Find inspiration from Pinterest, websites, magazines, or visit kitchen displays in store. It's always wise to take into consideration the house's current architecture and current style, and how we want the new kitchen to fit into that. Once you've locked in your style direction, look at products that support it. Things like door profile, color, flashback material, handles, and of course, your benchtop material. This might be laminate, but if you've got a little more money in your budget, you might go for stone. Lighting plays a huge part in function and mood. We planned a mix of task, ambient, and feature lighting. Task lighting is bright and focused, perfect for food prep and cleaning. Ambient lighting fills the room, often with ceiling-mounted downlights. Feature lighting adds personality, like pendants over an island or LED strips in cabinetry. Keep in mind safety and compliance. Work with your licensed electrician for advice and installation. Storage is easy to underestimate. Consider what you're bringing from your old kitchen and what storage you're going to need. Zone your kitchen into prep, cooking, pantry, and general use to keep everything organized. With your layout and finishes in mind, it's time to consider your budget. Consider what's achievable as DIY, like assembling cabinetry or painting, and where you will need professionals. Include costs for demolition, rubbish removal, and even a temporary kitchen. Planning ahead helps everything run smoothly. Once everything's decided, it's time to prep the space. Once you've removed the old kitchen, organised access for deliveries and trades, and set up a temporary cooking zone, you're good to go. There's lots to think about, but with the right plan in place, it's easy to design your own dream kitchen. DIYing it, that makes it even more rewarding.